she is. Oh my gosh. This guy. This is just gonna bounce off the back of this wall. But here it is. All right, what it is, good morning guys and gals. Just dropped the car off at the shop because yeah, the car is getting a very special treatment. Yeah, so just stay tuned, and the next clip should be me picking up the car, and oh man, I can't wait. So just stay tuned. All right, gotta turn that down because y'all know that's copyright. Cause they be quick to claim copyright on my videos. But anyways, yeah, we back at the shop. Mustang should be almost done. They close at 1 o'clock, but right now it's about 1:30. So all right, got it all hooked up.
That's the one I had to put the flange on. Put all new gaskets in there. I did ended up doing the clamps here, just to keep it clean in case it ever needs to come off. But if you ever want me to weld them solid, I can do that. But yeah, everything's sealed up pretty darn good. This was the pipes I was talking about. They left it to where we were like this much short. So I made those pipes and then beat them into here and then clamped it. But yeah, man, she's definitely awake now.
All right.
So give me a second, I'll get you out. I put all your, I'm assuming you want, you know, I said that to you on the phone. I'm like, I'm sure you want your old cats back, but then I'm like, you'll never be able to get them back on because the way we cut that header, you'd never be able to get them back in there.
All right, about to pull the car out now. If you ever need to get some work done, exhaust work done, time on the move. Here I go, number right there. Ready, but he just wrapped it up. Damn. It really doesn't sound much different once it's all warmed up and everything. Yeah, and there you go. Back into the Mustang. All right, about to pull up out of the shop. Let's see how loud this thing is. Okay, got it. I'll probably spin my ass off. Oh my gosh, this thing is loud. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get pulled over. Oh my Jesus. Yeah. And it's actually pretty loud because I got my back seat down. Because I got my old stock Kelly converters in the back. I don't know why, but I just want to hang on to it. Alright, so I got the windows down, so y'all can hear it a little bit. God, Jesus, yo! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Yo, that's crazy loud. Like, oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah, with the downshift. Dude, this is crazy loud, man. I got the windows down, it's 39 degrees out, no heat on. And with the downshift. Oh my God! Oh my God! This thing is crazy! Oh snap! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh It is.
They just took out my eardrum.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was my girlfriend I was talking to. She said I just took out her eardrums. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we about to go drop her car off real quick. And I'm gonna hook up my my SCT tuner, the data log, and see, make sure everything's running good. Go from there. What the hell? People cannot drive. Oh, wait a minute. We about to go underneath a tunnel. Not a tunnel, but a little bridge. Alright, let me relax for a second before I get pulled over. Because, by the way, my tags are expired. So these people right here cannot drive. Like, what are you doing, bud? Like, why are you just gonna take up 2 lanes? Like, you're not turning anywhere. So, what are you doing? All right, guys, we just pulled into the garage. Our garage where I live. So it's about to get a little loud over here. Jesus. That light is too much light. But anyways, alright. It's the next day. It's Jackie's birthday.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, babe.
So yeah, like I said, next morning, so the car set overnight. So I'm about to get y'all that cold start in the garage. It's about to be dumb loud. Alright. Here she is. Here she is. Oh my gosh. This is just gonna bounce off the back of this wall. But here it is.